Have you ever wondered what the world would look like without glass? Imagine a day without peering through a window, without the touch of your smartphone screen or the glimmer of eyeglasses. Glass, this seemingly invisible material, is a constant in our daily lives, quietly shaping our interaction with the world around us. It's almost as if it's hiding in plain sight, an unassuming hero of modern living. Yet few of us ever stop to ponder. So what exactly is glass and how is it made? In its simplest form, glass is made from sand. But of course, it's not as straightforward as it sounds. The main ingredient of glass is silica, a component of sand. But to transform it into the clear material we're familiar with, we need a couple of other ingredients: soda ash and limestone. Soda ash lowers the melting point of the silica, making the process more energy efficient, while limestone gives the glass stability. Together, these three ingredients create the basic recipe for glass. The art of glass making dates back to our ancestors, who used natural glass formed by volcanic eruptions. Over time, humans have refined and developed this process, taking it from a natural phenomenon to a controlled industrial procedure. From the humble beginnings of obsidian arrowheads to the soaring glass skyscrapers of today, the journey of glass is truly a remarkable tale of human ingenuity. Now, let's delve into the process of transforming these raw materials into the glass we use every day. Making glass is a hot affair, literally. It all kicks off with a fiery blend of raw materials known as batch, typically consisting of sand, soda ash, and limestone. These are the key ingredients that give glass its transparency, durability, and resistance to weathering. The batch is loaded into a furnace that's heated to a staggering 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This is hotter than most volcanoes, folks. At these blistering temperatures, the batch melts into a thick, molten state. This is a critical phase in the process as the heat helps to remove impurities and ensures that the ingredients blend together seamlessly. After the melting process, our molten glass is then ready for shaping. This is where the real magic happens. The liquid glass is poured into a mold, or in some cases blown by a glass blower using a long metal tube to give it the desired shape. It's a mesmerizing spectacle, watching the molten glass transform from a glowing blob into a beautifully crafted object. But hold on, we're not done yet. The newly formed glass is still fragile and prone to cracking. This is where annealing comes in. In the annealing process, the glass is slowly cooled down in a special oven, known as an annealing layer. This slow cooling helps to remove any stresses that formed during the shaping process, making the glass stronger and more durable. The final result? A crystal clear piece of glass ready to be cut, polished, and put to use in countless applications, from windows to wine glasses, and everything in between. Each piece of glass we see around us has gone through this fascinating process, a testament to human ingenuity and the transformative power of heat. And there you have it, a piece of glass, ready for use. But not all glass is created equal. You see, there's a whole spectrum of different types of glass, each with its own unique properties and uses. Let's dive into some of them. First up, we have flat glass, also known as sheet glass or plate glass. This is the kind you'll find in windows and doors. It's made by floating molten glass on a bed of molten metal, which gives it that smooth, flat surface. Next, let's talk about tempered glass. This is your superhero of the glass world. It's 4 to 5 times stronger than regular glass, thanks to a process of extreme heating and rapid cooling. You'll find it in car windshields, shower doors, and any other place where safety is paramount. If it breaks, it shatters into small, dull pieces rather than sharp shards. Now let's shift gears and talk about colored glass. This is the artistic one in the family. From the stained glass windows of Gothic cathedrals to the vibrant glass sculptures of modern art, colored glass adds a touch of beauty wherever it goes. The color is added during the melting process through the addition of various minerals and metal oxides, onto optical glass. This is the brainy one, the one that helps us see the stars or the tiny cells in a microscope slide. Optical glass is specially made to refract or bend light in very specific ways. Each piece is precision crafted for its specific use, whether that's in a telescope, a camera, or a pair of eyeglasses. And then there's fiberglass, the tough and versatile one. Made by weaving fine strands of glass into a material that's stronger than steel, fiberglass is used in everything from boat hulls to insulation. There are countless other types of glass out there, each with its own unique properties and uses. So depending on what it will be used for, the glass may go through additional processes. Whether it's adding strength, color, or precision, each type of glass serves a special role in our world. Glass isn't just useful, it's also had a significant impact on our society and our environment. Let's delve into the environmental footprint of glass, shall we? At first blush, the story of glass seems like a green one. After all, glass is a champion of the recycling world. It can be melted down and reshaped again and again, with no loss in quality or purity. That means every jam jar or beer bottle you toss into the recycling bin could come back as a sparkling new glass container, saving raw materials and energy. But the plot thickens. The production of new glass is a hot affair, quite literally. It requires a massive amount of energy to melt raw materials into molten glass. We're talking temperatures of up to 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than a volcano's lava. And this energy often comes from fossil fuels, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, while glass is technically 100% recyclable, not all glass ends up being recycled. Some find its way into the landfill, taking over 1 million years to decompose. That's a long time for something so brittle to stick around, isn't it? So, as with many things, glass is a bit of a mixed bag when it comes to its environmental impact. It's a testament to the complexity of our modern world, where even the simplest things can have profound implications. So, the next time you look through a window or at your phone screen, remember the complex process and the significant impact behind that simple piece of glass. So, from basic sand to the glass we use every day, it's a fascinating journey. We've unraveled the mystery behind this transparent wonder, starting from its humble beginnings. The raw materials, primarily sand, mixed with a touch of soda ash and limestone, and heated to high temperatures, give birth to this marvel we call glass. We've delved into the intricate process of glassmaking, where the heated mixture is cooled and shaped, transforming into myriad forms and functions. From the common flat glass to the robust tempered glass, the versatile laminated glass and the energy-efficient low-emissivity glass, it's clear to see the diversity in its types. We also highlighted the impact of glass, how it has shaped our world, from the smallest smartphone screen to the tallest skyscrapers, and even in space exploration. So, we come full circle, back to the everyday objects we often take for granted. Who knew that something so simple could be so complex and have such a profound impact on our lives?